Hello students, welcome to the channel Edifying Kids. Today we are going to learn English class 7th unit 1 1.4 The King's Choice. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and do share with your friends so that you will get regular notifications. So today we are going to discuss question and answers of this lesson. First we will discuss these margin questions. Guess the meaning of fierce in these contents. Now fierce means what? Physically powerful, angry and aggressive. Think and answer. Why must king have a court? Answer is, a king must have a court to discuss his ideas and plans with his courtiers. Also, he has to get advice from the wise men of the court on how to handle various matters in his own kingdom and other kingdoms also. Now next question, what qualities are necessary in the following and why? King, advisor, bodyguard and messenger. Now answer is, answer A. King, leadership, ability, kindness. A king should be able to lead his country during times of war and conflict. He should be capable in matters of organization and kind-hearted and generous while dealing with his subjects. Second one is advisor, intelligence, knowledge and foresight. An advisor should be intelligent and know what is good and bad for his king and country. He should also be able to foresee how his advice will affect the future of his country. Now next one is bodyguard. Strength, courage, loyalty. A bodyguard should be fit and strong to protect his king from harm. He should be courageous and face dangerous situations bravely. He should also be loyal to his king. Next one is messenger. Speed, punctuality, strength. A messenger should be quick in delivering any messages. He should be punctual and begin his work without delay. He should be strong and agile to go wherever necessary. Now next question. What is the oath of loyalty? Answer. An oath of loyalty is a formal promise made by someone to be loyal to somebody or something. Now next question. Write and read aloud the oath that each of the courtiers must have taken. Now students, you may write this answer on your own. Now next question. Why was the vulture told to lead the way? Now students, you will get this answer here only. Now see. The fox and the leopard did not know the desert, but they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them up to here. Okay, that's why they said that since it was a vulture's idea, he should lead the way. Okay, now next. What advice did the fox and the leopard give? And next question is that, was it based on the good and sound thinking? The fox and the leopard indirectly advised the lion to hunt for the camel and told the vulture to lead the way. And this advice was not based on a good and a sound thinking. Now next question, children. On the next page. Do you think the vulture was enjoying the search? Yes, it was. Next. Do you think the king's decision to go back was right? Answer is yes, it was. Can you guess the plan that the fox had thought of? Answer. The fox had thought that he would take the camel to the lion and then kill the camel. They would all be able to taste camel meat and also have their feel. The lion would thus be happy with his advisor. Why does the fox address the camel as a friend camel? Answer is, the fox addresses the camel as a friend camel so that the camel thinks of him as a friend and follows him without getting suspicious. Now next, what qualities of the courtiers emerge in this part of the story? Now, what qualities are immersed in this? Now this you will get the answer. The qualities that emerge are the cleverness of a fox, the cowardliness of the leopard, and the disloyalty of the vulture. Now next question. The fox, the leopard, and the vulture have the same thought about the camel. Why is it so? Answer: the fox, the leopard, and the vulture were all very tired, hungry. They had traveled far into the desert just so that they could find the camel and kill it. Besides, the vulture had said that its meat was very tasty. They had now managed to bring the camel for the king's dinner, and it was time for all of them to feast. Now next question. Did you expect the lion to be kind to the camel? Do you think this decision was right? Answer: no, I did not expect the lion to be kind to the camel. Yes, I think his decision was right, for the camel had saved his life. Next question. Why did the courtiers have to obey the king? Answer: the courtiers had to obey the king for they were probably afraid that he would otherwise kill them. Next question. Were the courtiers being loyal to their king? Discuss. Answer: on one hand, the courtiers were not being loyal to the king because they had offered themselves insincerely to him. They did not expect him to kill them even though they had said he could. It was a false offer on their part. On the other hand, they planning to make the camel ask to be eaten. They were being loyal by providing food to the king and thus looking after him. What qualities of the camel are seen in his speech? Answer: the qualities of the camel seen in his speech are his foolishness, his kind-heartedness, and his spirit of self-sacrifice. Now next question. Why did the lion laugh to see the courtiers go? Answer: the lion laughed to see the courtiers go because he had not actually meant to kill them. He had merely wished to show them that he had seen through their plan. He laughed at their foolishness. Now students, next we'll see the English workshop. Now question number 1. Write a character sketch of each of the animals. Write about their actions and thoughts and the qualities that emerge through them. You may present the sketch in the form of a graphic. Now see students, here character sketch of each animal is given over here. The fox, the leopard, the vulture, the camel, and the lion. So students, you may write down the answer in your notebook. Pause the video and write down the answer. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot of this answer. Now question number 2. Using your imagination, write more sentences in the same pattern. Now here some sentences are given. But the more the lion had, the more he wanted. In this way you can write, the more he studied, the more confident she became. Then next one is, whenever he took a walk, they followed him. You can write, whenever the cat entered the room, the dog chased it. In this way you can write more sentences. Next question, turn the story into play as a group activity and present the scene in the classroom. So student, this is a group activity. You try to enact story in the form of play. Question number 4. This story takes an unexpected turn when the lion decides to spare the camel's life. Choose any fable story that you like and rewrite it, giving it an unexpected turn. Okay, so this will be used as an assignment. Here you write a story which you like and rewrite it, giving it an unexpected turn. Okay. Now next question. Talk about the good qualities of any one person you do not like. You need not name the person. Means students, here you are going to write good qualities of a person, the person which you do not like. Okay. Now here everybody's answer will come different, but here I am going to explain this answer with one example. I do not like a girl in my class, but I know she has some good qualities. She is smart, helpful, and kind. I have seen her helping the little children of our school to cross the road. She is also generous and shares her things with others. Okay, in this way you can write good qualities of any one person which you do not like. Now next question. Here language study, common nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Here it is given singular, plural. So students, for this you can watch our previous video. Okay, you can click on the above I button and watch the video of countable and uncountable nouns.